Hello everyone, thanks for checking out my video and my channel. And welcome to Grand Union. And should I say good morning? Yeah, it's Saturday morning, and guess what guys? It's Saturday. It's the fishing tourney. I know my villagers, oh my god, look at this. Here's Lopez with his fishing pole. Alright guys, this is going to be a great day. So the fishing tourney starts at 9 a.m. I'm going to run up to Nook's Cranny. I want to sell off some of those gifts I got for the other day from my villagers. If you haven't seen what I look like in some of these gifts, make sure to go back and watch my last video. Alright, here's Timmy and Tommy. Hey guys. I am looking to sell some goods. You know, if it would be this easy to be able to get rid of your stuff in real life, as opposed to this big, huge production of taking it down to Goodwill or donating it at the consignment store. All right. It's kind of nice to get a little money back on your investment, you know? Even if it was a gift. All right. I don't think there's anything else I need in here today. Thanks, guys. It's fishing tourney day. Let's see. And I already grabbed an extra fishing rod. So we should be good there. I didn't even craft any bait. I probably should have. But we'll see how I do without it. Oh, there's Lopez. Lopez, where are you at? Oh my god, look at his hat. Oh man, I'm so tired, but I've got to pull it together. The tourney is starting soon. Why are you tired, man? That's not something you usually say. Maybe sleeping with my fishing pole in bed wasn't the best idea after all. Yeah, probably not the best idea. You could have left that fishing pole by your door and it would have been just fine. That's awesome. Oh, and there's Daisy. Morning, Daisy. Almost fishing tourney time. I can't wait, sugar cakes. Yeah, no kidding. I'm going all out for today's fishing tourney. Just watch. This time I'll make a splash. Okay. Oh, guys, look. We got a gold spot. Alright. Alright, a couple days I'm going to have a $20,000 return on my investment here. There we go. Put that away. Put that away. Alright. Let's go off to resident services and see what's going on. Oh, and there's our man. CJ. Yo, what's up, Seaport fan? I'm CJ coming at you live. You know what? It's too early for that. I'll save it. So you know I'll be anchoring the big fishing tourney, right? It sets sail at 9 a.m. I'm going to bring the hype. Just as soon as I've had some more coffee. Yuck. Why is everybody so tired? I've been up for a couple hours, so I'm good to go. Yeah, it should be like in another minute. Oh, there's Dom. Hey, Dom. The fishing tourney starts at 9 o'clock today in Indidero. Oh my god, guys, why can I never pronounce this name? Indidero. I've been working on my fishing muscles lately, so I'm going to catch every fish there is. Oh yeah. Here we go, guys. 9 a.m. Hello everyone, the winter fishing tourney has begun. Yep, it's the first fishing tourney of 2021, guys. It's happening today. It all comes down to this. Every hook, every line, every sinker. This time has come for the fishing tourney. That's right. I'm She-Day, and as always, I'm your anchor for this one-a-season event. So get set, cause it's casting time. The rules of the fishing tourney are easy breezy. You just gotta catch as many fish as you can in 3 minutes. Every fish you catch nets you points. Net enough points and you can swap them for some slick fish swag. Also, there's a cooler in the tent. Any fish you catch will automatically get stowed there. Keep the pockets dry. That means as long as you've got a fishing rod, you have all you need to compete. Yuck. Alright. Simple, right? And you can enter as many times as you'd like. What do you say? Ready to get your feet wet in the fishing tourney? The entry fee is waived for the first run. Sign me up. Aye, aye. Alright, I'm going to spray 3 minutes on the clock for you to catch as many fish as you can. Oh, and there's also a bonus that'll backstroke if you catch at least 3 fish. Okay. You done nibbling on all that? Because it's time to launch. Yep, I'm good. Alright guys, off we go. I'm going to go down to the ocean. So I usually have pretty good luck along the ocean with the fish. I don't want to get crazy running because that'll scare the fish off. Oh yeah. Grab my fishing net. Oh yeah. Nice. Alright. And he's gone off to this bag. Alright. CJ will be holding on to him for me. You know, I think I remember this from the last time. I remember there was actually very few fish spawning in the ocean compared to what it's normally like. Oh, no way! Oh, good. At least there's one over here. Oh, yeah! Hi, Daisy. I know a lot of people use fishing bait. I don't know what you guys are planning on doing. I should have crafted some. Oh, hey, here's another big one. All right. Oh. You're gonna see my... I figured I was in the right spot. All right, come on. Let's go, fishy, fishy. Oh, yeah. Alright, so I at least got 3. That's good. Alright, can I grab one more? Oh, maybe. Come on. Oh, man, guys. 12 seconds. Oh, seriously? I got 4? Yes. Oh, very nice. All right. Let's go back to town center. See how I did. Yo, here I am. Hey there. There's my favorite angler. So how was it? Have fun? The fish you caught are all partying in the cooler. You can fetch them later. Or if you don't want them, I'll buy them. I need fresh fish for my live stream to keep my followers following. But first things first, let's check out what you caught in the tourney. Looks like you stowed 4 fish in the cooler. Oh, with a solo bonus waiting in at 3 or more fish. Yep. That's 6 points. Nice, guys. I'm so hot. Alright. CJ, take it easy, alright? Pour that into your points pool. If you got enough points in your pool, you can swap them for some slick fish swag. Gotcha. Yeah, go ahead and sell them. Yeah, 7,400 bells? Sure. Yeah, I'll fish one more time. I want to compete. It's actually just kind of fun. It's a lot actually better than the last time I played. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Got it. So I'm going to go over on this side this time, guys, and see how I do. I vaguely remember the last time I did this, I had issues actually finding fish in the ocean. So let's see. And it's really funny, I found that this side of the, I could have sworn there was a fish there. It's really funny, this side of the island usually seems to spawn more fish. I know the last time I had really good luck. I know I wasted a lot of time running over here, but... Let's see. Okay, let's come back to the message in the bottle in a little bit. So hopefully you guys are all playing this today. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get this uploaded on Saturday or not. I'd like to, but not sure if I'm going to. I don't want to take Tammy's fish away from her. Oh, guys, come on, seriously? Alright, guys, let's see. Can I at least get 4? Got 3. I don't know. Oh, guys, seriously? Right here. Well, you know, it helps if you cast out in front of them. Oh, guys, come on, seriously? 11 seconds? Oh, yes! That's awesome. Very cool. Alright, got 4 fish. Let's stop for a minute. Put my fishing rod away. Let's read what's the message in the bottle is, because I'm always looking for DIYs. This is from, from Whitney. Alright, dearest reader, whilst talking... I can read and talk, right? Whilst taking a much-needed hot bath, my mind dreamed up the most fabulous idea for a DIY recipe. Now I find myself compelled to share this recipe with others. May it inspire you to action. Thank you, Whitney. What is it? Oh, I think I already have this. Yeah, I do. All right, well, that's all right. I've been playing this game for a while, so I have a lot of the DIYs, but I always like to try to pick up the message in a bottle. Sometimes shoot the balloons down. Not the best at that, but there's some new trick too out there. I don't know if you guys saw that, where if you kind of blockade off your beaches, it'll actually make the balloons shift down to one area where you can actually be waiting for them. And I guess the balloons spawn like every 5 or 10 minutes. All right, CJ. Hey, there's my favorite angler. So how to have... Yeah, it's good. Come on, let's go. Yep. Yep, got 12 points, buddy. All right. So what I would like to do is sell my fish. See how much I got for these guys. I know I got a couple different fish. Ah, not as good. Let's sell them anyways. Alright. So guys, I hope you're having fun with this game today. It's kind of nice to have kind of an event once in a while. Let's see what we got. Something else. No, I want to swap my points for some swag. Oh, I got a fish wand? Really? Alright, well. Let's take a look at this fish wand, guys. Guys, there's a fish on the end of the wand. Guess that's why they call it a fish wand, huh? Alright. Very cool. Alright guys, well I hope you have a great Saturday. Like I said, I'm not sure when I'm going to be getting this video up, but I just wanted to do a quick video of the fishing tourney today and kind of show you what was going on. Let me see if I can see if any of my villagers are around. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I always appreciate a comment if you like my island. I'm not online, so basically what you see is everything that's included in the Nintendo game. So, like, I don't have a lot of custom-made things, I think, with the exception of... I made this myself here. My Grand Union branding image here. I actually made that. Not very artistic, so did the best I could. Wow, nobody's around? Must be all fishing somewhere. Oh, there's Daisy. How you doing, Daisy? I'm not the best at fishing, but vibes around here during a tourney still gets me excited every time. Yeah, no kidding. I actually had fun doing this today. So, I think it's because I have people on my channel that enjoy watching this stuff. So I appreciate you guys actually taking the time to watch my video and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, I guess that's it for today. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy watching amiibo card unboxings, I have recently done series 1, 2, 3, and 4 of Animal Crossing amiibo cards. So feel free to check those videos out. And feel free to check out the other videos that I have posted on my YouTube page. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. And until next time, thanks for stopping by Grand Union. Take care. Bye-bye.